yo
หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA สเต็มมา STEMMA
Hello everyone, so this is another science experiment for Mark for Future School. So this is called the disappearing glass rods experiment. For this experiment you will need oil, water and glass rods. We'll put our liquids in two different beakers. Okay, so first we will have one glass rod which we put in the water, and as you can see the light bends the shape of the glass rod in the water because of refraction in the water. But if we put the other glass rod in the oil, it doesn't look the same. Actually, it disappears. It's very hard to see compared to in the water because glass doesn't bend when it passes through the oil. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.